This is Dr. Joanne Pine. She has a lot to share with you today.
Well, having practiced Western medicine for 48 years, I really thought it was probably just voodoo medicine. But I knew Paula would not give me anything that would hurt me, so I decided to come and give it a try. And after the first treatment, I felt so much better, I was convinced. And after about the third treatment, I really was feeling great, and Paula asked me if I would come and work here.
Joanne, I really do want to ask you about your opinion about whether or not you think NAD is important medically.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, I'm living proof of that, for one.
Okay.
And then all your other patients who come here, the majority of which or whom are alcoholics or drug addicts. And there's such a tremendous amount of overdose deaths in the United States from drug use. And the alcoholism presents a lot of tragic automobile accidents where there are a lot of people killed. So yes, absolutely. And I realize too that you're also branching out and using it for other neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's.
Yes.
And so I think it's limitless. And as we know, the level of NAD in a person decreases tremendously as they age, but also stress lowers it, illness. I would think that probably during this pandemic, the stress that people are encountering with losing their jobs, losing loved ones and such, has increased the stress even more.
Absolutely.
But the stress of alcohol and drug abuse certainly lowers the NAD.
Right.
And it's such an easy treatment. The IV goes in about 5-6 hours. And as I said earlier, people who look horrible their first couple of days here have turned into, by day 3 or 4, into an entirely different person.
Indeed.
They're bright, their color is good, they're happy. I've witnessed this so many times on my own now that I'm constantly amazed at what you do.
Well, it's not me, it's the NAD, but I can tell you this. Everybody becomes a believer if two things happen. If they either see it or they experience it, they become a believer.